Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enriayo. Today we're doing a hair tutorial and this is the hair we're going to use. Today we're going to be curling the hair and this is what we're using. So this is called a spiral rod. It brings out spiral curls. So if you want that spiral curl, then this is the tool for you. So basically I'm just arranging it and trying to make it stay. It's actually a bit difficult to make it stay, but I tried my best. If you want, you can use rubber bands to hold it down. That blue thing that's down there is called a stopper. Is to stop it, and you will see when I am going to use that. So all you just do is to put the hair, as you can see the spiral spaces have already been made, so just put the hair into the middle for a neat outcome. Put the hair, don't just place it on the spiral rod, just place it in the middle so that the curls will be very defined. And then I'm taking that stopper and you'll see how I'm going to use that to stop it. Honestly, it's a bit tricky, so you have to be very careful so you don't lose your curls. So I'm just going to press that, and there we go. So these are all of them, as you can see. In some I used rubber band because the stopper was not enough, so you can also use that too. So I just got a bowl and I put it in my sink to get the hot water prepared. Now I'm going to be using a flask. For safety purpose, you can use a flask. So I'm just going to pour that hot water. As you can see, it's freaking hot. I'm going to pour it on the spiral rods, round it. Don't just pour on one spot. I'm going to go around it. The water is quite much, so definitely it's going to be enough. So I'm just pouring that round, and when I'm done, you see me shaking it so that even if some didn't get hot water, they will definitely get now. Now I'm taking a towel, so I'm taking it one by one and I'm using the towel to press it. So what this does is that it makes the curls stay. This is one of the things that form the curls. So you press that, so the hot water is going to enter into it and the curls will form very well. So I'm taking another one now and pressing it, a towel, using it to press. No, don't just press too much, just a little is. So what I just did is that I arranged them in a tray, and as you can see, they look really cute. So guys, it's time for the big reveal. As you can see, I'm removing the rubber bands from the two ends. So basically what I'm just going to do is I'm going to follow that spiral shape at the end, and I'm just going to use that to lose the curls, and as you can see, they look very nice. And don't worry guys, I definitely promise you that I am going to use these hair pieces to do tutorials, hair tutorials, so I can show you that you can use these cheap hair pieces to do a lot of expensive styles that a lot of people use so much money to do. I will definitely do tutorials on that. So if you've not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so that whenever I post videos, you will be notified. Honestly, you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to spend millions and hundreds of thousands to buy hair pieces. This is it, like literally. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very nice, very curly, and also very bouncy as well. I'm also showing you this so you can see that you can also divide it and create styles.